Okay, hello everybody. Good morning or good evening. Just a short video after the ECB announcement and pretty much closing of the day to see what has happened. So basically today the ECB has decided to pump the economy with about 1.1 trillion euro at a pace of 50 billion per month. That basically means that the central bank is going to buy debt from sovereign states as well as some companies in the hope to create confidence in Europe and the growth and um, to stop the prospect of deflation. So we'll see if it is working, and we hope that it will for Europe, because Europe has not been doing so well. As far as what the market reaction to it is, of course, a low, but nothing spectacular. I mean, if you were waiting for firework and things like that, it actually did not happen. I mean, the day before the announcement started with a raise of the euro dollar in the upper range, and then after that just went down. Just went down after the announcement and broke the level of support from the daily level of support. But actually, a couple hours after the announcement, only actually after the announcement, it just went to that level of support and hang there for a couple hours, and then after that broke it, and now seems to have definitively decided to break it. So the opening today, which I guess US is closed. I mean, everybody's closed now. Actually, as I'm doing the recording, well, Australia I think is open now. So Asia is waking up, but we actually can see that the opening day did not follow through. It's starting to actually go a little bit up. So of course the downtrend is still down. I mean, that's just still obvious. Now we may see some period of consolidation in in the currency. One thing interesting to look. So on the daily, we don't have much level to look, except I broke a level of consolidation, which is good. On the 4 hour, same thing, and the 1 hour is actually creating a base. Was created a base, though. If you trade it at the break of that base, you realize that you have 265 pip risk in that trade if you follow Trend Dragon. My view on that, if you wanted to look at that, is potentially just look at that continuation pattern. So of course the price went down and now it's doing a little bit of a triangle. So this candle here is sort of a doji anyway. So probably better to look at it like that. So we may see some range today, at least on the hourly, and in this case, if we see a range down, the objective would be to break that level over here. So it's pretty clear on the hourly what we will need to do. As I say, the upside or the next level of support resistance is pretty high. So that would be a trade just following Trend Dragon. That would be expensive. The other option is to enter here, put your stop loss at that level here, which is a little bit more reasonable. Or look at a lower time frame on the downside and see what you can see. Now, interestingly enough, though, the 30 minutes is giving us something interesting, in a sense that it went to this level, went down here, goes back here, potentially is coming down here. If this level here is holding, there would be a head and shoulder that would have been created. Okay, so here, here, and here. Then the head and shoulder, what it would mean is that the neckline would be here. This area here would be the entry, and you would have the objective that would be right here. So they put it right here. If this happened, actually the price would go to the trend dragon trend line on the 30 minutes, and that would still be healthy for the downside. A little bit time to breathe might be a good idea for the currency. So the play that I can see right now on the euro dollar is this head and shoulder. That would be the only play I can see. And if we look at that, then the objective of the head and shoulder would be about 60 pip, which would be exactly the trend dragon trend line on the 30 minutes. So you look at that. This is the level to look out. The level to look out would be an entry at that level here, 113.72, or the break of 113.72, and the objective would be about, let me do that better, the objective would be about 114.38, actually maybe a little bit less than that. 114.26. Sorry, 114.26. Of course, if you enter here, the stop loss is either under the head, which is under 13.16. So if you enter here, stop loss will be about 62 pip under, of course. Or you could do it at under the previous low, which is 35. One option, so you have two options, is of course enter at the break or wait for it to break up, return to the neckline to go back up to objective, which in this case you just become trading a range or a uptrend, a macro uptrend with a 1, 2, and you wait for the third lower, higher low to enter the market. Let me keep a little bit on your profit, but would still be very conservative approach. So 60 pip potentially in this trade. Be happy to take a profit, no matter what it is. Don't be too greedy. Don't try to get the entire 60 pip. Use trailing stop loss. Protect your profit, and understand that this is a counter trend trade, so it has its own risk. Okay, have fun, and probably do a complete analysis of all the currencies tomorrow. I mean, at the close of the market tomorrow.